Okay, so as Ishan brother and Kev brother and Sana sister was mentioning about the speed that in the no he was mentioning about the speed that 1 second is also beneficent for our life. Okay, I have remembered our thing by the 1 second. You know what? The scooters, the bikes which are coming now in just a 0.25 seconds, it can reach 0 to the 40 km per hour. It's the speed. Can your Splendor go? Never. Apache? No. And yeah, if I talk about the charging stations, my cab brother was talking about the charging stations that there are less stations. Okay, how much less? Too much less. Okay, you know what? There are different country. Oh, there are different companies in the world, in the India, that which are giving us the electric vehicles like Ola. You know what? In the whole India, there are 10,000 plus charging stations of the Ola across 100 cities. And if I talk about the simple one, there are 300 plus hyper charging stations. If I talk about the Ether, there are 100 plus hyper charging stations. If I talk about the Tata, there are 1,000 plus charging stations. If I talk about the public charge stations like government or all, there are 2,000 plus. How many? 15 or the 14,000. So isn't it less?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So directly, I would like to answer to the Rihan that he was saying too that there are lots of charging station. There are lots of, and every company is giving charging station. Can you find any one of a charging station in our area? If you will use electric vehicle, so from where will you charge your scooty in emergency? In at your home you can charge, okay, but in emergency on the way, where will you charge your scooty, from where? And there are lots of in India is very big, and there are lots of villages, there are lots of areas in that electricity doesn't come. Even one month electricity doesn't come. After 1 month electricity comes. There are lots of villages. I am telling about the villages. There are lots of villages, and India is developing, not developed country. As you are saying that use electricity vehicle. It's not like that. We cannot use yeah, we cannot use electric vehicle easily in our India, because we are living in India, and India is developing country, not developed country. Okay, that's it.
Okay. Good afternoon to you all. I'm Shadab Sefi. So I would like to answer Rihan that he's saying there are 14 or 15,000 electric charger station for electric vehicle. Yes, I am agree, but I don't think they are touching the counting of petrol vehicle like petrol pump. They are very different between this, and our country is one more than 100 crore people are living, and if the people started electric vehicles, so this charging station will few for them first of all. And second thing is power. If you ride your electric vehicle, first of all you can't ride your electric vehicle as petrol vehicle. Like we ride petrol vehicle more than thousands of kilometers, 10,000, 20,000. Our father are riding also, and electric vehicle can't. If you want to ride that electric vehicle, so you will have to change his battery like 2 or 3 times, because its battery has not much power to ride very far, and just because of this you can't sell your electric vehicle, because if you sell your electric vehicle after 5 years, so the battery of your vehicle will get damaged like iPhone battery also. So you will have to sell that in very few amount, and if you want to sell that in good amount, so you will have to change the battery. And if you want to change battery, so you will have to purchase half money as your electric vehicle has. Like if you buy electric vehicle that is 15,000 cost, so the battery of that vehicle is 25,000 rupees. So this is one point. And second is
Okay. So directly I would like to give answer to Shaimin. She was mentioning about the pollution, that by the petrol vehicle pollution is increasing a lot. So first I would like to say that if you use the electric vehicle, so is for charging the battery you need to electricity. And how does electricity form? By the power plants. Then What will you say about it that pollution is being increased a lot by the power plants? And second, I would like to mention, sorry, I would like to answer to Rihan brother. He was mentioning about the electric stations that a company has this much and this much, this much. First, let's take an example. I am here, and beside me there is electric station available. I have to go to somewhere, and second electric station is available at the second corner of the Delhi. How will you charge in the mid? That, yeah, how will you charge battery in mid?
First of all, whatever you are saying, that's wrong. No, he was
Take it.
yeah. So as my brother, unprecedented brother Kev was mentioning about the charging stations, that first is in the corner of my street, and second is in the corner of the Delhi. First of all, it's not true. Okay. Do you know about the Bhajanpura? She was mentioning about the charge stations. That have you seen any charging stations nearby you? I think you don't go out of your Mustafabad. I think you have not seen the Bhajanpura and all. You know, just shut up. You know, in the Bhajanpura, there's also charging stations of the Tata. Don't you know about it? You don't know, that's why you are speaking. Okay. You don't know. What? Yeah, second, you were talking about the corner, so it's not like this. And yeah, you know, the charging stations which are here on the platforms, you know, in just 18 minutes, it can charge half battery. It can charge. All, yeah, it is. It is true. It is true. Don't you know about the Ola scooter? Ola S1, the Ola S1 Pro. It can charge. Brother, your thinking is this.
Only Ola, what about others?
What about other? Do you wanna know about the others? Do you know about the urban rare?
Yeah.
You don't know. It's a bike. In just one charge, it goes 300 plus kilometer. And you know what the Jishan brother? Shorts. Yeah. You know, he bought the Revolt RB400. Yeah, he was saying about, I think, the 1000 of power, whatever, 1000 of kilometer that my father ride the bike. So you know what? In the Revolt RB400, there is a system that your bike will expire after 15 lakh kilometer. Can you reach 15 lakh kilometer? It's out of your thinking. You cannot reach. Really, brother, you cannot reach out of the 15 lakh kilometer. And the battery, and the, just shut up. And the battery guarantee is 7 years plus. The battery guarantee, 7 years plus. Okay. And yeah, he was talking about the selling. We cannot sell our bike, we cannot sell our scooty because we have to change our battery after 1 month, after 1 second. You know, it's not truth. And also we don't want to sell our what you call electric vehicle road because it's good. We are happy. You are not happy.
Okay. After me. Okay, so firstly, I would like to answer to Shadab. Shadab, you were mentioning about the charging station cannot touch the number of petrol pumps. Oh my God, how will it touch? In which situation, in which country, in which area, or in which era are you living? In 21st century you are living, and right now the number of electric vehicles are also less than the petrol vehicles. So of course charging station will be less than petrol pumps. Where is your common sense? Just use that and say properly. Next thing I would like to say to Naved, you were mentioning about the development, as I had mentioned in my turn, that apart from electric vehicles there is other thing like farmers and agriculture is there. So I would like to say one thing to you. Whenever we come to these kind of thing, people always issue the one slogan, as Rimsha mentioned, that India is a developing country, not a developed country. So when will you make it a developed country? If you will continue to say like this, that no, India wants this, India wants everything, I agree with this thing, but if you will continue like this, then India is not going to develop at all. It will be an undeveloped country. We are the citizen of India, so it's our responsibility that how can we develop our country. Next, I want to say to Ishan, you were mentioning about crabs, that China, America, they all eat crabs, so we should eat that. The Allah has given you mind, that which thing you have to follow and which thing you do not have to follow. If you want to eat crab, if you find it good for your health, so eat. If you do not find it good for your health, so do not eat. Always try to get the good things from the other people. If you will be getting the negative things, of course everything will be negative around you. Just be positive, result also will be the positive. Why do you think so much? That's it.
So I would like to speak on charging points. They all are mentioning that charging points are less, more, and these kind of things. I would like to say that you have your own home. On at your home, you can charge your cars, your electric cars. If you say, and one more thing, I would like to say one problem I have with electric vehicles. Like if I have an electric vehicle, definitely it would have a battery, and that battery could be big because the vehicle is big. So if that comes in the diggy of the car, so where will I put my luggage? And if I have a scooty, so that comes in the diggy of the scooty, where will I put my other works? So that in that field I personally say that the petrol vehicles are better than it. And the next thing which I would like to mention about the petrol vehicles, those are strong. I would say that the battery vehicles, those are not strong. It doesn't have anything. That's it.
So directly, I would like to give answer to Shaiman's sister. She was saying that if India wants, so what can't we do? So it is right. It is truth. So as Rihan was saying that the can you reach the more than can you reach 15 lakhs something like this he was saying. So brother, if we want, so what can't we do? As your teammate was saying. So now I would like to say that only 2% can sit on electric scooty. Otherwise, scooty will destroy. But in emergency, we can't sit on electric vehicle. But if we talk about the petrol vehicle, maximally 4 people can sit easily on petrol vehicles. That's all.
So first of all, I would like to give answer to my sister Rimsha. She was mentioning about these stations that there is no station nearby our area. So for your kind information, as Shaimin also said this thing, convinced you this thing, but you did not understand that still there are less, right now there are less electric vehicles than the petrol vehicles. As years ago, the government installed in India, whole India, they installed the petrol pumps place to place. So like this, similarly, when time will come when there will be more electric vehicles, so government will definitely install more electric charging points nearby your area and in your neighborhood as well. You will get, inshallah. And now I would like to answer to Navid and Rimsha also. She was also mentioning about the India, that indirectly they both were saying that the electric vehicles are not good for India. They were saying we cannot have electric vehicles because our country is a developing country. They have a negative thinking. So they always think negative. Just because of this thing, our country is unable to develop. Okay, in if I talk about other countries like China, like America, Japan, they have more electric vehicles. They have electric things. That's why they are developed countries. If we will have these kind of things, definitely our country will also be developed country. That's all.
So as all are saying about the charging station, so I am saying for this that if we are going somewhere and we our battery get finished, what will happen then? What will happen? And in that area there is electricity, it doesn't come. So what will you go in that area? Will you go in that village? If you have to go in a village, that in that village the electricity doesn't come, so will you go with your electric vehicle in that village? Of course not. You cannot go, you cannot think about go to there. Okay, so and next thing I would like to mention that somebody was mentioning that we should use new things, we should develop, we should something like that, someone was mentioning. So I would like to say, yeah, I agree with them that we should use new things. So but if we come to comparison that electric vehicle and petrol vehicle, so I would say definitely petrol vehicle are better than the electric vehicle, because there are lots of reason. I my team members and I also mention lots of time, and I would like to mention that if we will use electricity and we will not use petrol, so where, from where, in which thing we will use petrol? definitely government will think petrol to use in wrong things like making weapon. They will think to use petrol. They will think to use petrol in wrong thing like weapon for making weapon. But and you all are living in Delhi, so you are thinking about we should use electric vehicle, we should use electric things, lots of things we should use. All things you want to use electric because you are all living in Delhi. What about others area? What about UP? In UP electricity is very high, and UP's people is thinking about decreasing electricity things. They are thinking that we should decrease electricity because they are unable to pay bills. You all are thinking about yourself, but you all are not thinking about others. That's it.
You were saying about the electricity that in UP that they are decreasing the electricity. So for your kind information, if you will do just like that, so who will become the initiator of it? Who will become? If you will, that's why our India not developing because of you type of people. And second thing I would like to mention here, the Navid brother was mentioning about the lithium. So for your kind information, that when the petrol, the incompletion of burning of petrol is happening, so what will happen? The carbon monoxide forms, and because of that it is very toxic for us. And because of this thing, that if we will live 2 minutes in the presence of carbon monoxide, so we can die easily. And you are thinking that the lithium is rarest and all, you were thinking, and you were, yeah, what's your name? Yeah, Ishan brother was mentioning about the stock, just kind of things you were mentioning. So for your kind information, that first thing that we are just bringing the electric vehicle. If the need will come that we should use stock and all, so in that we have one feature of it as well, that backup battery, by which we can get the battery, that if we have lost our battery and somewhere it happens, so we can get. Okay. Sir.
So I would like to give answer to Sana. She was saying about the positive thinking. Because of my negative thinking, India is not developing. Oh man. Can you just tell me you are thinking positive? She is thinking, and so many people are thinking positive. Why? Because of me. Why? Because of my negative thinking, you are not developing. Your India is not developing. Because of the things. Because you are just thinking to develop to be like America and Europe. To be like America and Europe, we need a lot of things. Not only the electric cars and electric vehicles. And she was mentioning about carbon monoxide, dioxide, many oxide. So I would like to say that because of burning of coal, 25% pollution is available in our environment. And you were saying that in the 2 seconds we can die because of that. I am living in this area, and where 24 hours vehicles are going, coming, and alhamdulillah I'm sitting in front of you all. I'm not a robot. You all are not a robot. You all are sitting like this. Nothing is happening with us. So, yeah, because of petrol a bit pollution is increasing, but we can also, yeah, a bit, only this much, but also we can recycle that pollution. But the pollution which is available because of burning of coal, that is so hazardous for us. That's it.
Okay. So as Naved brother was mentioning about the space, where will I put my luggage? Yeah. You know what about the Ola, OpenRoar, Simple One, Ather, MG, and there are many. Tata Nexon also. You know, in the Ola, if I talk about the scooters of the two-wheelers, there you can put 2 helmets, 2 full helmets and 1 half helmets. Can you put in the Splendor, in the Apache? No way. It's out of your... Yeah, that's your thinking. Because you are Mustafabadi, you are living here 24 hours and you are sitting in front of me. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, after that, if I talk about the features. You know, if I talk about the features of the petrol vehicles, what should I talk about when there is nothing? Anyway, let's talk about the features of the electric vehicles. First of all, there is navigation, location, anti-theft mode, autopilot mode, hill hold, ABS brakes, radar system, cruise control, reverse mode, premium looking. It is the next generation vehicle which you are getting now. And you know what? The features which are told here, though are just some intrinsic features. If I will tell also, there will be night. That's why I'm not telling. Okay. And yeah, that's all.
Should I? So now I would like to give answer to. So now I would like to give answer to Rihan. He was saying that the petrol pumps total 40,000. So do you know that how many petrol pumps are available in whole India? 60,799 petrol pumps are available in whole India. And if you are going somewhere and your petrol has ended, so you can make it filled. But and one more thing, you can carry the petrol in bottle. But if we talk about the electric vehicle, you can't carry the electricity in bottle. And now I would like to give answer to Sana's sister. She was saying that first go after with the passage of the time, government will give us our charging stations. Means like Apple. Apple gives us only a phone when our phone battery will end, when we will purchase a charger. Like this, when our scooty battery will died, when government will give us a charging station like this, take this and now charge this. That's all.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Samir. I want to tell about the electric vehicles. So I am favoring of petrol vehicles because of petrol vehicles are good in our area. Like if you are on a rural area and suburban area, many people are stuck on suburban area and rural area because of petrols. And if you carry petrols very easily, but you can't carry a battery. Whole batteries are very big. You can't carry battery in a bike, in a scooty. But if you have a petrol, you can carry a very easily one bottle and two bottles. You can carry very easily. If you are on long drive, you can go to a long drive like 13 kilometers and 1400 kilometers. Many long drive you can go very easily, but you can't go very easily if you are on electronic vehicles. Thank you. That's my point.